Hello everyone, my name is Tomas Attalla. I'm a second-year sophomore here at Tennessee Tech University, and I'm currently studying mechanical engineering with a minor in manufacturing, engineering, and technology. And today, I want to talk to you guys about manual transmissions. More specifically, I want to talk to you about how to drive a vehicle with a manual transmission. Over this video, I want to talk about the benefits of a manual transmission, how a manual transmission actually works, and finally, what to do when you're inside of a car with a manual transmission. So first, what are the benefits of a manual transmission? Well, according to myimproved.com, a manual transmission has improved fuel economy, a lower cost of ownership, that's buying it new from the factory, or just maintenance over time because a manual transmission is cheaper to buy a replacement for than an automatic transmission. And finally, according to erieinsurance.com, security. And this is because only 18% of Americans actually know how to drive a vehicle with a manual transmission, so it is a theft deterrent. Next, how does a manual transmission actually work? Well, according to how it works on YouTube, there's two friction surfaces, a clutch and a flywheel, both spinning, and whenever you depress the clutch, these two surfaces come together. Whenever they come together, they cause this input shaft to spin, which then causes this lace shaft to spin, and you use your gear selector to push a certain one of these forks into the gear you want, and once you do that, it ties that gear to the output shaft, causing the output shaft to spin, which then spins the differential, causing the vehicle to move. And then you just keep on changing gears to stay in your desired torque band. Alright, so now we're just going to hop in my car and show you guys how to drive a vehicle with a manual transmission. Alright everyone, so first we're going to start off by just getting a feel for the car. So down here we have all of our gears, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. And since this is a Nissan, to get into reverse, you're going to want to press all the way down, put it all the way over to the right bottom. So let's just run through all the gears again. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then finally reverse. So down here we have three pedals. We have our clutch on the left, our brake in the middle, and on the right is our gas. So we're going to start the vehicle. We're going to press our clutch pedal all the way down to the floor, and then press our button right here to start it up. And we got it started up. We're going to also want to make sure that it's in neutral, so if you can move your shifter back and forth. So it's in neutral. So next you're going to want to do exactly what popularmechanics.com tells you to do, which is feel for a grabbing point. So the grabbing point is basically you're going to want to way down, and whenever you feel the clutch pushing your foot back more aggressively, that's your grabbing point. Alright, so I think I felt for it there. So now we're going to just want to try driving it. So down here we're going to put our shifter in first gear, so that's all the way over and forward. We're going to want to release our handbrake, and then we're going to want to feel for that grabbing point like we did last time. So we're going to slowly let go, and right whenever you feel the vehicle begin to move, you're going to want to give it just a little bit of gas so you can get a smooth start. Alright, so we got it moving, and we want to do that 2 or 3 more times just so we can get used to the grabbing point. Alright, so now that we're used to the grabbing point, we're going to try to shift into our next gear. So right now we're in first gear, and then after first gear comes second, of course. So we're going to just wait for a straight right here, and we're going to press our clutch pedal all the way down to the floor and move our shifter straight back. And now we're in second gear. And then driving manual is very repetitive, so you just keep on doing this through all the gears till you get up to the speed you want. And then now we're going to get to the stop. So whenever you come to a full stop, you want to press your clutch pedal all the way in, press your brake, of course, and then put your car back in neutral, You can check it if it's in neutral again just by shaking it side to side. And then you're sure it's in neutral, you let go of your clutch, and you can put your handbrake up, turn your car off. And a lot of people just put their car in first gear to make sure it doesn't roll away. And there you go. You've driven a manual transmission vehicle. Thanks for watching.